Capacitance of a capacitor with charge Q and potential difference V depends on which quantity. It's known that the capacitance of a capacitor can be calculated using a formula C is equal epsilon naught A divided by T, whereas epsilon naught is representing the value of permittivity of a free space. So it will be constant, whereas A is representing the area of a plate and D is representing the distance between a plates. When we are checking the options here, option A is given as both Q and V. Based on the formula, we can say the capacitance does not depend on the charge and the. So option A is wrong here. Whereas option B is given as the geometry of a capacitor. So this will be the correct answer because the capacitance is directly proportional to area and it is inversely proportional to the distance. So area and distance between a plates will come under the geometry of a capacitor only. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Again, option C and D is representing Q and V only. So C, D will be wrong. Option B will be the correct answer for this question.